Hi, I'm Dina Moses, and it is reveal time for Vermont Weaving Clubs. This is the reveal for kit number 8, July 2022, and I am excited about this one. I am so excited about this one. And I'm gonna ask the projects are gonna kind of get more fun as we go, so please watch to the end so you can see all of it. First, the colors. All right, first color we have 101 Blanchy. It's gonna look pretty mundane, but just wait. Second color, 271 Gris Fonts. So we definitely got that white gray thing going on here. Third color, 5132, which is jeans, or is it denim? It's denim, 5132 denim. And to balance it all out, 4269, which is one of my favorites, Limette Pale. So there's our colors. And this kit's going to be a little bit different than kits in the past in that all groups, rigid heddle, 4-shaft, 8-shaft, it's going to be one pattern for everybody, and you'll see why in just a sec. And the project is, oh, here it is, okay. Rag rugs. And it's not just rag rugs, just hold on, I'll show you everything. But the cottons are gonna be the warps, and then you're gonna use recycled clothing, old clothes, or fabric from your stash, anything like that, for the weft. And I'll give you all the information about how to collect, how to prepare, all that good stuff. So this is one possibility of the project, and there's, all the way from simple to much more complex. But this is, a lot of different things all at once. So we're just gonna put that right there. Here's another one. This one is one color. I made it out of old pillowcases, and it's one color for the weft, so you can really see the warp, and it's a dark color. You could do something like this with a lighter color. It'll have a different effect. The warp probably won't be quite as prominent. There's that. The next two pieces are based off of some work that I developed 30 some odd years ago when I first started weaving, and I couldn't really afford materials, so like yarns were expensive. So a friend just dropped off some old clothes and told me that I could make rugs, and then I started making rugs, and it just, everything I learned, I took to new heights. So this is part of what I developed at that time. So this is one of the pieces, and there will be instructions for doing this. And of course, whatever colors you use, it'll look very different. So this is the third piece. And then the fourth one, and I'm so excited about how this came out. And sometimes I don't even know when I design it, and I look at the colors exactly what it's going to look like, but there we go. And we will, I will show you how to do this as well, the design. So what else can I tell you? I know. So this is the Build Club. If you're in the Learn Club, we're even going to take it a little bit further, and you can sink into this or not. But for the Learn Club, I have even another few techniques. And that's this kind of thing. So we're gonna learn how to weave pieces that are not rectangular, how to put little windows in them, things like that. And one more, ta-ta-tum. Things like little tabs, I'll show you how to put embellishments into your pieces, all that good stuff. So if you are a member, if you're a Weaving Club member, watch your inbox for more information. If you're not a club member yet, we are extending the deadline a little bit for this kit because it's so exciting. So the deadline, you can sign up until the 21st, until July 21st. So come join me, and I'm really excited and happy weaving.